case dyan, marami, hindi pa pupuno yan, ano. Yung lalagyan na yan, yung orange yan, ano, hindi pa pupuno yan, ano. Diba? Ha? Malaki ano yan, eh. Yep.
Process may nominate candidates from the functional division of the SPO. So yun, yung A by district, then B, nomination sa fractional, and C, qualified organization. Okay, for the papers, yes. Papers screening is comprised of the percent of the overall rating of the candidates. Only candidates with complete required nomination documents shall be screened by the Division Praise Committee. By the Division Praise Committee.
Ha? Yung alin? Ay, bakit? Sige kita na. Saksak mo.
50%. Ano ang ating modifier dyan? Complete submission. Candidates for which category who obtain anticipated points in a papers screening. At least, pwede ba 0.7? No. Pwede ba 49? No. Unlock 50 points. At least 50 points. So, yun ang minimum. Okay po, in the paper screening shall qualify for the validation stage. Sige po. Makita ko natin. Sa validation, the Division Praise Committee shall submit the validation of documents submitted by all candidates qualified for this stage to ensure authenticity and veracity of all submitted documents. Further, a performance validation shall be conducted by the committee which shall comprise only percent of the overall rating of the candidates which shall be validated in the commission. Ano po? Dear Community, Immediate Supervisor, Superior IMIN, Division Praise Committee, presented 40. Okay po? So, kanina yung paper, 50. Ito. Next. After the validation stage, the Division Praise Committee shall release a list of qualified nominees for the division awards to a division. Makikita natin yung processing of the screening of the submitted documents. Ito, Sir, well, interview kanina nag-grasp ho ba natin yung mga documents ninyo, yung mga MOVs ninyo, 50%, tama? Hindi ito natatapos ang lahat.
Gumagana pa rin dyan.
40% on the validation.
Pag nabawasan mo siguro, print mo muna lahat.
Superior,
ay, hindi, save mo muna lahat dun. Luluwag dito. Ano save na lahat?
And,
teka muna, yung mga pictures
10%
sa gallery, pictures.
interview. The Division Praise
Tingnan mo sa gallery.
Committee shall conduct an interview
Kita mo,
of
gallery.
of all candidates.
Ang dami.
The rating
Nice,
achieved during
Sa
the
gallery.
interview shall comprise
No. This one, no? This one.
of the
Gallery.
overall rating of
Yan yung
each
gallery
candidate.
na. Dito ka ba tumingin?
Okay po.
Sige, buksan mo dyan.
I, the Division Praise
Dito.
Committee shall deliberate on the consolidation of results by category. They shall signify
Open in the tab.
in the
Open in the
consolidated rating sheet by category and shall treat with utmost confidentiality